Hi, I'm Shilpi Chakraverti, Head of Analytics at Tata Motors. In this session, we'll explore how AI and analytics is transforming smart vehicle engineering and accelerating electrification, giving us a strategic edge and delivering real value for our customers. We are witnessing a powerful shift in how vehicles are engineered by bringing analytics from the backend to the forefront of innovation, shaped by petabytes of connected vehicle data, electrification, and high degrees of sensorization. These are the foundations of a smarter, more responsive, and sustainable automotive ecosystem. In the realm of smart vehicle engineering, imagine a car that learns from every mile, every turn, every terrain. That's the promise of AI-enabled engineering. It's helping us calibrate performance using real-world data, advance product development timelines with AI-driven simulations, and build vehicles that are more reliable and exciting to drive. By tapping into real-world usage data, we are refining specifications of components for current and future models, making them more reliable. Similarly, big data-driven reliability test targets enhances durability, optimizes costs, accelerates validation, and improves customer satisfaction by ensuring every part performs precisely as intended. As we electrify the future, we are analyzing billions of kilometers of driving and charging data. Combined with geospatial analytics, this is helping us to strategically expand charging infrastructure, boost customer confidence, improve EV range and performance. The introduction of our industry-first C75 range initiative stands out for Tata Motors. Built on real-world data, it sets a new benchmark for transparency in our range estimation and strengthened customer trust. And we are not stopping there. Our AI and analytics are becoming integral at every stage, from digital twin technology that simulate performance in real time to AI-powered diagnostics and prognostics that predict issues before they happen. This means lesser downtime, better reliability, and a smoother experience for our customers. To sum it up, AI is transforming how we design, build, and maintain our vehicles, moving us from reactive fixes to proactive excellence. But this story isn't just about machines, it's about people. In the ever-evolving landscape of customer choices, understanding and engaging with the customers at the right moments is crucial for building loyalty and turning them into advocates. And that's where AI and analytics come in. In this session, let's explore how AI is helping us not just understand our customers, but truly connect with them. Did you know that every click, every scroll, and interaction tells us a story? Machine learning and clickstream analytics is enabling us to decipher these stories. By mapping user journeys, identifying drop-offs, and redesigning touchpoints to keep our users engaged. Clustering and segmentation techniques helps uncover buying patterns and preferences, enabling the creation of relevant marketing campaigns that feel personal, relevant, and timely, driving better engagement and stronger connections. Predictive models, such as the repurchase and booking propensity, empower teams to reach out proactively, crafting seamless, intuitive experiences that anticipate needs rather than simply reacting to them. And then there's the power of the recommendation engines. These AI/ML models are quietly transforming how businesses follow up with leads, match products to individual needs, and suggest relevant value-added services. These AI-driven systems are bridging the gap between digital and physical experiences, building trust, not just transactions. But it's not about data, it's about emotions. With speech-to-text analytics, organizations today are listening more closely than ever. This is helping identify pain points, celebrate moments of delight, and use feedback to prioritize what truly matters to the customers. Now let's talk about what happens after the sale. Because the journey doesn't end when a vehicle leaves the showroom. It only evolves. And that's where the connected cruising comes in. At Tata Motors, our connected vehicles platform hosts millions of vehicles, generating petabytes of data. We leverage this data in predictive analytics to anticipate maintenance needs and reduce downtime, keeping our customers a step ahead. Our fault diagnostics models are reducing repair times and improving vehicle uptime. And with our AI-powered fuel efficiency consultancy, we are helping subscribed vehicles achieve better mileage, reducing total cost of operations and substantially minimizing carbon footprint. To wrap up this session, what we are seeing is a clear transition, where AI and ML is helping us move from one-size-fits-all to truly personalized experiences, from reacting to customer needs to anticipating them. And as we continue this journey, we are not just imagining better experiences, we are striving to engineer them. We will delve into how we are leveraging AI and analytics for transforming our operations to improve efficiency, enhance quality, reduce costs, and drive innovation towards a sustainable future. Let's start on the shop floor. AI is driving efficiency at scale. Hundreds of machines have made their journey from preventive to predictive maintenance. This shift has significantly reduced downtime and improved OEE. Several extremely effective anomaly detection models have been horizontally deployed across the manufacturing facilities of Tata Motors in India. And here's something exciting. We are now using generative AI to diagnose machine issues through voice commands in regional languages. This is what I call innovation with empathy, making tech more inclusive and intuitive. We are also leveraging machine learning models to efficiently manage and reduce the energy consumption of our high-demand paint shops, demonstrating our commitment to sustainability. On the quality front, our AI-powered vision inspection systems are detecting defects in vehicle parts with precision, reducing warranty costs and boosting customer confidence. Now, let's talk supply chain. With advanced analytics, we are cutting logistics costs, optimizing inventory, and minimizing obsolescence. Our predictive models help us forecast demand and improve visibility across the supply chain. And when disruptions hit, our scenario planners, powered by value chain mapping, simulate risks and guide agile responses, keeping our operations resilient and giving us a solid competitive edge. Once a vehicle hits the road, the real journey begins, and that's where our aftermarket intelligence comes into play, helping us deliver smarter service and better ownership experiences. Looking ahead, smart factories will take this even further. With AI-driven automation, real-time decision-making, and predictive maintenance, we are committed to building a future where operations are not just efficient, but intelligent. As we look ahead to FY26 and beyond, one thing is clear. The future of intelligent systems isn't just about speed, scale, or automation. It's about empathy. It's about designing technology that understands context, adapts to human needs, and creates meaningful impact. Whether you're building smarter vehicles, streamlining operations, or reimagining customer experiences, the real power of AI lies in its ability to connect data with purpose, to move from insights to action, from efficiency to empathy. Thank you for joining me in this masterclass. I hope it sparked new ideas and offered fresh perspectives. If you have thoughts, questions, or reflections, I'd love to hear them. Do drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, keep asking questions, and keep building a future that's not just intelligent, but deeply human. Thank you.